Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I would like to give you another code review. This code review is like a 3 coins problem, and I got the problem from this video right here. See if I can find it. It says, from this video right here where it says statistics and probability full course. So that's where I got the 3 coins question. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the code review in Python and R, so you can see how Python and R differ from each other, and Python is a little bit different from R. So this is just a 3 coin question. First thing we have to do is we have to find the mean of 3 coins. So the first thing we do is we define our variable x, which is a range from 0 to 4, so it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. And then x list is a blank array. And then for n in x list dot append n. Then we're going to print x list that's going to tell you it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and x list equals np array x list. So we're turning x list into a numpy array. And p is 0, 1, 2, 5, 0, 3, 7, 5, 0, 3, 7, 5, 0, 1, 2, 5. So we find the mean of this. So the mean of x and p is the sum of x list times p. And so we print the mean, and it's 1.5. Now we're going to find the variance. So the x list, x is defined as what it was defined previously. P is defined what it was defined previously. And so var of xp equals sum x list minus 1.5 to the power of 2 times p. And so that's variance of xp. And STD, that's your standard deviation of xp, equals np dot square root, and it's the same as what was written in the previous line. So we're going to print our variance, which is var of xp, and we're going to print our standard deviation, which is STD of xp. So our variance is 0.75, and our standard deviation is 0.866. So that was the variance and the standard deviation of the 3 coins. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the cumulative sum of these 3 coins. In the video, it said that it was, in the video, it said that it was the median, but I'm not sure about that, but I do know it's a cumulative sum. So P is defined as the variables, the numbers that had been previously stated. Median of P equals np dot sum P, print medium of P. And so you've got your cumulative sum of 0.125, 0.5, 0.875, and 1. And so basically that is what it printed out, but I'm just going to change this. They said it was the median, but I'm not so sure. I know it's the cumulative sum, so I'm just going to say cumulative sum of that to make it more clear, more accurate, even though in the video they said it was median because it's a statistics video. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to R, and in R we're going to talk about the code all over again. So it's the same code, but in R is written differently from Python. So x equals 0 to 3, P equals C, and C means connect, 0.125, 0.375, 0.375, 0.125. So that's what the C means, connect. And then we find the mean, and so the sum of x times p. Then we find the variance, It's the sum of x minus 1.5 to the power of 2 times p. And then we find the standard deviation, which is the square root of that formula that we just previously written. Then we find the cumulative sum, which is cum sum p. And so you can see that the values in R are exactly the same as the values in Python. It's just it's written a little bit differently. And the thing is that R is a program designed to write statistical formulas. It's designed so statisticians can use it. And Python isn't. Python is just a general all-purpose formula. I do have to say that I prefer Python. As you can see, it's a little bit more difficult to work with Python because Python is not a statistics program. It's a general all-purpose program. So it's a little bit more difficult to work with Python, but I still like it better. I like it better. And, maybe one day, if I find a really good online R compiler, maybe one day I'll start using R more. But at this point in time, I want to show you how to do exactly the same thing in Python and R. And then you can decide for yourself which programming language you like better. And I think that because I've been using Python longer, I like it better. But when I start using a little bit R, get more familiar with R, maybe I might decide that I like R. Who knows? So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. I would like to thank all of my subscribers for supporting my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you again for watching this code review. I look forward to making more code reviews for you in the future.